So we've looked at reading a file like this, simply for line or for whatever in data, print, because that annoys me, line, and boom, it reads the file. However, basically it's just simply reading one line at a time, and as soon as it's done with the line, it's throwing it away. No chance to reuse it, no chance to do anything else with it. So that makes it kind of tricky. Or it really only gives it one purpose, which is to go through one at a time. If you wanted to do something, so let's go ahead. So that kind of just puts some limitations on the use. So let's take a look at two other ways we can read files. Let's say data is equal to. So one way we can totally read a file is by doing this. Text is equal to data.read. And this will take the text file, right, the data, this will take Dracula, and throw it into a string and store that string in text. So data.read reads the entire file as a string, converts it into a string, and then the equals text, that will store that as text. So if we were to len text, that's what's going to happen. Oh, right. Not going to do anything, of course, because I didn't ask it to. Classic mistake. Okay. So we've got 842,000 characters, which sounds about right for that text file. With Shakespeare, which I'm not going to bother printing out, right? Store. Can't figure it out. For some reason, it's not liking this. I'm not sure if it's an issue with my Python file or not. What's wrong, Laser? Toddlers are mysteries. Yeah, okay. Well, resolve that. Not sure what this is about again. Matt's character maps to undefined. I'm not really sure why. What's going on there? So let's just keep with Dracula. Okay. Right. So we can read the entire thing as a single string. And we're able to print it out. Now, I'm not sure why, if there's a limit. Oh, we must have hit the limit for printing for a single string, which is why it kind of cuts off there. Right? But we can ensure that it's the kind of the last characters by saying we can ensure that the last characters are there by saying, let's print out the last 1,000 characters all the way to the end. See, there we go. Last 1,000 characters. All the way. 1,000 characters isn't that much. Okay, so it does store the entire thing as a single string, which is useful. Also notice that it's not got double line, right? Because, or line and a half, or double line for these things, because. Hold on, Laser. I am recording. Because we're printing it out all once, right, with the new lines and everything. But when we were printing it out one line at a time, we had the new lines attached, which we'll see in our next example. You want me to put that on my head? You want me to put that on my head?
No, it's too big.
Yeah, it is a bit too big. It is a bit too big.